Hey guys, welcome back to another video by VillageGuy with a computer. So in the last video what we did was we looked at variables and like the concept of variables, and we learned how to declare variables and how to use them. I was thinking, what do I want to teach in this video? And I was gonna teach data types, but I realized that maybe I should teach comments first because they're simple and quick. So what are comments in JavaScript? So sometimes when you're writing code, you just want to write something like a note to yourself or to somebody else that you're working with so they can know what's going on, but you don't want JavaScript to execute it. So there's this thing called comments. For example, just come here and you could say, hey, watch out, this is important code. And now everybody would know that, hey, this is important code. So you could leave a comment, and when you run your script, let's clear terminal, node, JS, you still get the same output. It will still say only Blave Kalan, and you could put comments anyway. It doesn't matter where you put them, doesn't matter how many you put there. You can put as many comments as you want. It really doesn't matter, and you can put them anywhere. JavaScript will just ignore it. So this is one way to put comments. You use double slashes. A second way to add comments is to use something like this, and anything in here is a comment. So this is a comment, and this is good for multiple reasons. Firstly, sometimes you just want to write something longer and you don't want to have like a lot of this and have to do this every single time that you're typing. You have to do this. Sometimes you just want to write something that's long, but sometimes what you also want to do is, for example, comment out some code that you just don't want anymore. Like maybe I just don't want this code anymore. I don't want to, but at the same time I don't want to delete it. I want to use it later. So I could just copy this, comment all of this out, and it'll still be here, but it just won't be executed. So if we run node test.js, it will just do nothing because it will just create this variable first. So let my name, then it will save this in it and it will just do nothing with it. But if we come here, for example, and we say console.log, I'm going to say my name, and then we add something like I am happy. Oh, why am I saying I am happy? I am happy, but I should say is happy. Yes, so you say Blave is happy. Boom, I am very happy. I would have been happy if I got this right in the first try, but Blave is happy. Yeah, this is comments, and you can put them anywhere in your code, and anytime you see this in your code or you see something that starts like this, you just know that this is a comment and I should ignore it, because I mean, don't ignore it, you should read it, but JavaScript is going to ignore it. Alright guys, this is it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one.